Greenhouse effect and global warming. The term greenhouse effect is derived from the phenomena that occurs in a greenhouse. It looks like a small glass panel used for growing plants, especially during winter. In a greenhouse, the glass panel lets the light in, does not allow heat to escape. Therefore, the greenhouse warms up very much like inside a car that has been parked in the sun for a few hours. The greenhouse effect is a naturally occurring phenomena that is responsible for heating of Earth's surface and atmosphere. Surprised to know that without greenhouse effect, the average temperature at Earth's surface of Earth would have been a chilly minus 18 degrees centigrade rather than the present average of 15 degrees centigrade. In order to understand the greenhouse effect, it is necessary to know the fate of the energy of the sunlight that reaches the outermost atmosphere. Clouds and gases reflect about 1/4 of the incoming solar radiation, absorb some of it, but almost half of the incoming solar radiation falls on Earth, hitting it, while a small proportion is reflected back. Earth's surface re-emits heat in the form of infrared radiation, but part of this does not escape into space as atmospheric gases. Example: carbon dioxide, methane absorbs a major fraction of it. Molecules of these gases radiate heat energy and absorb a major portion of which again comes to Earth's surface, thus heating it up once again. This cycle is repeated many a times. The above mentioned gases, carbon dioxide, methane, are commonly known as greenhouse gases because they are responsible for the greenhouse effect. Increase in the level of greenhouse gases has led to considerable heat of Earth, leading to global warming. During the past century, the temperature of the Earth has increased by 0.6 degrees centigrade, most of it during the last 3 decades. Scientists believe that this rise in temperature is leading to deleterious changes in the environment, resulting in all climatic changes. El Nino effect thus leading to increased melting of polar ice caps as well as other like Himalayan snow caps. Over many years, this will result in a rise in sea level that can submerge many coastal areas. The total spectrum of the changes that global warming can bring about is a subject that is still under active research. These measures include the cutting down of fossil fuels, improving efficiency of energy uses, reducing deforestation, planting trees, and slowing down the growth of human population. International initiatives are also being taken to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere.